Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. I'm Anjana Rawat and today I'm here to introduce you to a powerful and ready to use solution which is WooCommerce Shopify Connector, seamlessly designed to integrate your Shopify store to your WooCommerce store. This module helps you to synchronize your products, orders, inventory and customers between the two platforms and helps you to manage your online shoppings efficiently. So now let's quickly check the configuration and I will show you how to set up the module in no time. So let's start. So now let's start with creating a new Shopify account. You must have a Shopify account already and you need to just log in and follow the step to get the token access. So here I'm creating a new account. Set the password. Now get the permissions required. So here you can see I'm over the home page of Shopify store and I have created my new Shopify store here. So to get the access token or token access, we will go to the settings and we will go to the apps and sales channel here. Now here on the right upper corner, you can see a develop app and Shopify app store tabs. We need to click on develop apps and here we get another tab that is allow custom development. So we will click on it and again we have to give the permission allow custom development. So we get create an app tab here. So we will click on create an app and here I need to fill the app name. So we will fill it Webkul demo and below that you can the app developer email address you have to fill and create app. So once I click on create an app, it redirected me to the app development page, which is for the Webkul demo app. And here we need to go to the configuration. In configuration, you can see admin API integration. So we have to configure the admin APIs first. So click on configure. And here you have to give the read and write API permissions to the followings. I will show you. Like first we have to give it for the customers, like read and write permissions. Then we will go to the inventory. We'll get permission for inventory, orders. You can see the order section here. Then products and product list. So once I have given all the required permission, let's click on save tab here. Once I click on save, you can see a message below configuration save. So once the configuration is saved, you can see a install app tab here. Now let's click on install app and install. So you can see the app is installed and here you can see a API access token is there. So you can click on reveal access token. Once I click on reveal access token, you can see I get the access token here and I will save this. We require this access token to integrate the Shopify store with our WooCommerce store. So we will use this access token to integrate the Shopify store. So now we have finished this Shopify store and now we will move to the WooCommerce Shopify connector. So now I'm here over the WooCommerce Shopify connector and now we will check how you can add the Shopify account to this connector. So in the left panel, you can see Webkul WC add-ons, that is Webkul WooCommerce add-ons. So you will go to the Webkul's Shopify connector. Let's click on it. And here you can see Shopify account connect. You can see the tab of add account here. Currently, there is no account added. So we will click on the add account. And here we need to add the store name. So it was my store. We need to add the token access which we have created in the Shopify app. And all the three required details, just click on save. And you can see a message of account created successfully. So let's save it and move back. So you can see I have created a new account here and I have added a new account here. So this is my store name and you can see the ID. So now let's manage the account and I will show you how you can generate the webhooks. So here in manage account, you can see account settings, general configuration. Here you can do the general configuration of the store, and in webhooks you need to create the webhooks first. So I have already generated the webhooks. You can just click on generate webhooks and they will be created. So I have created the webhooks, you can see here. So now let me show you by importing some products here and creating those products. So let's go to import product. Here let's click on it and you can see your products are now being imported. So the process is completed. So once it is done, we will go to create imported products. So you can see the process here. The product had started creating and it's done. So you can see all the 6 products created here. So this is how our WooCommerce Shopify connector works. If you have any other queries, then feel free to contact us at support@webkul.com, or even you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. That was much for now. Thanks for watching.